Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to get food in Infinite Craft. So by the end of this video, you'll learn how to do them. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to combine earth and then water to create a plant. After creating a plant, we should combine fire and water to create a steam. After that, combine steam and fire to create an engine. Now, combine the engine with earth to create a tractor. Then combine tractor with earth to create a farm. And finally, combine farm and plant to create food. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.